So here's the package. They're, okay, actually did write there, I don't want to show any addresses. Sorry, put that down. I did actually write their Instagram and eBay on the back of it. Sorry, I know it's not pretty, I did use a Sharpie. Their eBay is Konomi1017. Their Instagram is Judy Anime Shop. And I really can't wait to open this. I usually open these upside down because I don't want to tear the actual, well, that. I don't want to show any addresses, so you gotta be very careful. I'm just doing this with one hand. Okay, I think I was pretty careful. I didn't write it very pretty, but... Are you there, Mom? Yes, you are. Okay. Anyway. Oh my goodness, okay. I was expecting the first thing to be candy. Okay, let's get this. I knew it. Okay. There's going to be a lot of opening. Okay, these are... wow. Okay, let's get this out of the way first because I want to show the candy. One. Let's put these over here. I have my other 2 pins ready. Hi, Mom. And here, okay. 2 bags. 3 bags. 4 bags. 5 bags. Get that out of the way. Be careful. 6 bags. 7 bags. Get this out of the way. Be careful. This is number 8. 8 bags. 9 bags. 10 bags. 11. Didn't I only buy 11? 11. 12 bags. Okay, I think I bought 11 and 12. Yeah, they're all really awesome. Well, obviously, I'm not saying they're all there because I'm saying, oh, she forgot. No, that's the last thing on my mind. I'm just trying to, you know. Anyway, okay. The next thing we're gonna do is the pins. These are the ones that I already did have. Okay, Glaceon. Wow, awesome. Okay, Eevee goes here. Sylveon is last. Glaceon. Vaporeon, that's gonna be 4th. Oh wow, Leafeon, that's gonna go before Glaceon. Umbreon is gonna go before Leafeon. I put them in order from their Pokédex number. I already know it. Flareon is after Eevee. Espeon is before Umbreon. And then Jolteon's right in the middle of these. Wow, look at that. Oh, I have them all. How exciting is that? Oh, they are perfect. Oh, wow. Oh, thank you, Judy. Honestly, thank you. Truly, thank you. Oh, wow. Here are my little... Oh, yes. Oh, my God. Oh, it is a 10. It is. She told me it was a 10. It really is a 10. Oh, what's this in the corner? Hold on one second. Is this like a little bag? Like oh, I like this bag. It's a really nice bag, like a holiday bag. I like the bag. Thank you. I really do. I like this little bag. Thank you. Okay. Oh, it's so pretty. I don't want to open it. Okay, let's get this box out of the way. Okay, so this is what I have to open still. Honestly, I want to open this last. Okay, let's go ahead and, you know what, let's open 10. Oh, it's so pretty, I don't want to open it. Okay, I gotta put you down. I know, I can't edit the video to make it shorter. Oh, I don't want to, oh, I ripped the tape. Okay. Oh, it's so pretty, I don't want to, but I have to. Okay, oh wow, that is so cool. I haven't opened it all the way. It's a 10, I like that. Oh, if they had a Sylveon one, oh, that would be so cool. Oh, I didn't rip the tape this time. Okay, let's go ahead and do that. Go. Oh, this one's not even opened. Oh, I'm not even gonna open that, actually. I know what's inside, but, I'm not gonna open it. I really wish they had well, they do obviously have Sylveon ones, but I wish I had a Sylveon one that wasn't opened and had all of them in 10. That's awesome. feel like I should open this next. Okay, so let's get this bubble wrap off. Where are my handy dandy scissors? I really want to find one of those sticky note. Well, the Glaceon tin. I want to find a Sylveon one. Oh, these are just so cute. I don't want to open it. Okay. Lift the tape. There you go. You don't even have to rip that off. There you go. I love these little packets. They're so cute. Take this out. Okay. Oh wow, these aren't even open. Oh my goodness. How cute. Poké Days. Is that one of those? Oh, look at that. Oh, I love that. I love that. Oh, and this was the one I was most looking forward to because obviously Sakura, the cherry blossoms. That's what I look. That's my signature. And whenever I draw something, I always gotta leave a little cherry blossom next to my, my what do you call it? My signature. Oh, I love that. Oh, and the other one. Oh my goodness, this is the other one I was really looking forward to. I like the clear little thing on it. Oh, that's so cool. I'm gonna open this carefully. Oh, I love that. That's awesome. That's so cool. I didn't even know it was like that. Okay, now I feel like I should open this next. Okay. This one I can just rip open because it's just, bubble wrap. Not pretty packaging. Throw that in the package. I'm actually obviously gonna keep these because I can take the tape off. Let's do that later. Okay. Let's open this. Ooh, I can see the stickers already. Oh, I thought they were bigger, but I actually like that they're smaller. I was hoping that they were smaller. Oh, I'm excited. Okay. Oh, wow, they have the Pokemon Level demo. Didn't even know that. Okay, put this away. Is there any? Nope. Okay. Oh, this is what I was talking about, the stickers. What? I didn't see it like that. They're a lot smaller, which is actually what I was hoping for. Oh my goodness, look at the gray Sylveon. That's actually a Pokebox thing. And the scarf around her neck, that's a Pokebox thing. That's his artwork. Oh my goodness, that's awesome. Oh, okay, and here are the stickers. Oh, I love this, the Pokédoll stickers. Sorry, not really paying attention where the camera's going. I know, I'm sorry. Oh, I love the stickers. Look how cute those stickers are. The Vaporeon and the Glaceon. I really love the long one with all 9 of them. I love those. Okay, here's another Pokédoll. Oh yes. Oh, these are these are actually what's supposed to be in just a couple each. So let's go ahead and take these out. Okay. So obviously on the back is where you write it. No note. See, this is what I meant by I wish I had the 10 for the Sylveon one. You know what I mean? And she gave me a couple of each. Well, she pretty much gave me all she had. I don't want to even. Okay. Get these. Is there there is a Umbreon. Oopsie. Sorry, I'm trying to be very careful. I want these to stay in order. Sylveon. Put the Sylveon's back on top. Sylveon. Vaporeon. Flareon. Eevee. and Jolteon, and then of course a couple of the other. Okay, sorry, I'm trying to be careful. Of each, wow, that's so cool. So, it's so hard to show you. Hold on, just 1 second. Yeah, okay. Oh, there we go. Okay, there we go. Now, put that back. Okay, put that on top of here, and we're done with that. Okay, the rest, and here are the memo pads. Oh, I love it. Oh, these aren't actually even opened. I'm not actually even gonna open that. There's the Vulpix, Alolan Vulpix, 9 kills, Eevee, Glaceon, Alolan 9 kills. Oh, and I guess there's a little Alolan Vulpix in the corner, and then Alolan Vulpix. I love this series. That's really, really cool. Oh, and actually, I forgot. Wow, that's so cute. Look how tiny those are. Those are so cute. I actually forgot to tell her that I wanted to add this to my order, and she just put it in for me. I was so just, wow, you know? Oh, they are so cute. Look how tiny they are. How can I compare? Okay, let's compare it to the Sharpie. Look how tiny. Oh, that is so cute. I love that. Okay, and the pouch. Honestly, I wanted both pouches she had, but I liked this one. It's clear. Oh, it is clear. It's not. This is actually an Ichiban Kuji. Oh my god. I collect Ichiban Kuji charms. This is prize F. I collect every single prize G charm, and I actually pre-ordered the Eevee and Artist Eevee and Colorful Art, I believe. I actually pre-ordered all 9 of the charms already. This is, wow, I did not realize that this was an Ichiban Kuji. That is awesome. Oh, this is what I originally, this is, oh, wait a second. Oh, okay. I wasn't thinking you were being returned anything else. And here, she even was kind enough to put them in their capsule. Oh, she even included every single one of the, oh. Here, okay. I'll show you one of each. The video is going on a lot longer than I thought, but, I apologize. Okay, and then let's put this one down. And then I gotta put down one more. Okay, ready to flatten those. Okay. And the other one I bought of this one is obviously the Eevee with the little bandana scarf, little bow. Okay, let's put those away. Okay. Okay, and now we're gonna open the little gotcha capsules. Oh, they have tape, I think. Hold on. Yes. Oh, there they come. Let's take off the tape. I'm actually gonna. That's so cool. This is basically how they came out. Like, just all 3 of them just landed on the floor like that. That was pretty cool. Of course, my favorite, Sylveon. Oh, that is so cool. They are in their packages. I love it. Oh, I love it. The sitting down Eevee. There's another, well, there's actually 2 more Eevees. But obviously, there's one where she's running. The one you're seeing here where she's sitting down, and then the one with the little bandana. Jolteon. Okay, let's put the Eevee here. Sylveon is obviously last. Jolteon is third. Okay, gotta take the tape off each one. Oh, there they come out. Okay, put these to the side. Oh, this one does not want to stay. Okay, Vaporeon and his little soda can. He's gonna be after Jolteon. Flareon and his little soda can. There's first gen. Here's another Eevee, the one where she's running. Oh, their soda cans are upside down. Soda can above this Eevee. So far, Sylveon is the best. And the next egg. Oh, there they go. Okay, I'll take care of that later. Okay, here is Leafeon and his little upside down soda can. Awesome. As before. Wait a second. Wait, what? Wait, why are there two? Wait, what? Wait, what? Did I order two? I'm so confused right now. Did I order two of these? Is this an extra that she put in, or did I order two? Wait, what? Are they the same? Hold on. They are the exact same. Maybe I did order an extra one. Did she just give me an extra one? I don't know. Oh wow, I'm so floored right now. What? Okay, anyway, I got this video is getting long. I know, I'm sorry. Espeon. Oh, her can isn't upside down. Just gonna go there. Leafeon. She goes after Leafeon. And the last egg. Wasn't there one more egg? There's two in here. Oh, this one isn't in her little packaging. Oh, and I believe she said the Glaceon wasn't either. Okay. Look at that. It goes up there. The Glaceon becomes... Wait, so someone is missing. Where is Umbreon? Wait. Umbreon? Where's Umbreon? I'm looking around. I don't see Umbreon. Okay, well, I think I'm gonna end the video there. Sorry, I'm just trying to look to see if I'm missing him somewhere. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is there 2 missing? Okay, let me think about this. Eevee, Flareon, Jolteon, Vaporeon. Umbreon is missing. Espeon, Glaceon, Leafeon, and then there's 2 Sylveons. I'm a little confused. I'm not sure where Umbreon is, but I'm gonna end the video here. And I want to say thank you so much for this. Thank you so much.